Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you a TikTok user and do you want to download your videos on your device without Watermark? The TikTok logo and the video creator's username are automatically attached to downloaded or shared video from TikTok as Watermark. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save TikTok videos without any watermarks. To do so, keep watching the video till the end. Start by opening TikTok by simply tapping on it. Log into your account first if you are logged out. Choose the video you want to download and tap on share icon. You'll see an option to copy the link. Copy the link by tapping on it and go to your web browser. Type download TikTok without watermark. There are multiple apps for that as well. From the search results, tap on download video TikTok no watermark. This will open snaptik.com. This will open Snaptik app. Paste the link on the video you want to download and tap on the download sign button. Your video is downloading. Now select the server displayed, choose anyone, and your video will be downloaded without any watermark. Click it open and play the video. You can see that there is no watermark on it. I hope you liked the video. If you think so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I'll be back with more tutorials. Thank you for watching.